What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and this is going to be the last unboxing for a while. I was kind of on a spree there, but we're going back to the basics. This is my first and only Mora I've ever owned. This is just the companion with the carbon steel. I think this is their basic run-of-the-mill cheaper model. Just want to do a quick unboxing, give you guys some initial thoughts and why I bought this one. Let's do a little spec rundown real quick. Blade length on this guy is right at 4 inches. Your cutting edge is just about the same. Oh, very reflective there. You can see my phone, my face, and everything. Jeez. Blade thickness on this guy is 0.08. Should be extremely slicey with that. What is all over the back of that? That's interesting. We'll have to come back to that. That Scandi grind, you can see this. You guys know what a Scandi grind is, but that entirety of that secondary bevel is coming from 0 degrees all the way up to the blade thickness there. Made in Sweden, unidentified carbon steel. You guys know what this knife is good for. Anything and everything with wood carving and kind of simple bushcraft tasks. You got kind of a clip point design going on here with a little bit of belly up front. Your handle length is 4.625 inches, making your overall length that just a little over 8.5 inches. Handle thickness is decently beefy, 0.79, very hand filling. It's kind of like a hard rubber. It's not extremely grippy, but you got a nice pocket for your hand to fall into. You can see Mora, made in Sweden. Okay, this is, I noticed this just as I pulled it out. Good thing we do this on unboxings. Look at the, it's almost like this knife was molded or something, or someone didn't hit the back of this with the a sander or finisher or something. There's like some metal roll over the entirety of the spine. But I mean, it's $15. I'm not expecting perfection here, just something that is going to cut well. And honestly, the reason I bought this knife is because everyone in the knife world says you should own one, but really I wanted it for a kit kind of knife. I wanted to throw it in a camping bag and forget about it and not have to switch out tools, just always knowing I have something that's going to be good for simple camp tasks in my bag at all times. Here's the sheath, simple kind of plastic design. Does have a drain hole, loop over belt clip. Let's check that retention. There's a little click there. I mean, completely silent. Retention seems pretty good. Yeah, this is about as basic as it gets. It's just, I was filling up a cart and this happened to be the last thing I threw in there. I thought I needed a Mora in my life. Crazy thing about this, the weight on this is 2.14 ounces. It's just insane. I'm sure that's without the sheath, but still, this is obviously not a full tang knife. It's got kind of that rat tang in the back, but definitely not built for tough use, just for some simple cutting tasks. But I'm a fan. I can see why these are so popular. They seem so user-friendly, and you know, you can get these in higher quality steels and different handle materials, but this is going to suffice for what I needed. Let me know what you guys think about Moras. I've heard a lot over the years, but it seems like everyone has them, but no one really talks about them anymore. But thanks for watching, guys, and remember, have fun with your knives.